Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Robert, and welcome to Excel, from basics to intermediate. Our journey is about bridging the gap from simple data entry to professional mastery, building a logical foundation for complex problem solving. We will cover the interface, formulas, data management, and pivot tables. I'm excited to get started. Let's dive in. Mastering the Excel interface is the first step toward becoming a power user. We have the ribbon, the formula bar, and the cells defined by rows and columns. Remember the navigation shortcuts. Use Control plus arrows to jump to data edges, and Shift plus arrows to select a range. A strong foundation here is crucial. Accurate data entry is the foundation of reliable analysis. Understand input rules for text, numbers, and dates. The fill handle is a massive time saver for copying data and completing sequences. Finally, use basic formatting, like borders and number styles, for clarity. This ensures your data is instantly understandable. We are moving into formulas. The golden rule is that every formula starts with an equal sign. We use standard operators like plus, minus, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. Cell referencing is key, as it makes calculations dynamic. Always follow the order of operations, brackets, orders, division/multiplication, then addition/subtraction. It's critical to understand relative versus absolute cell references. Relative references change as you copy the formula, while absolute references, marked by $signs, lock the cell in place. Remember the F4 key shortcut to instantly toggle between these reference types while editing a formula. Now for built-in functions. Every function follows a specific syntax: name, parentheses, and arguments. This structure tells Excel what to do and which data to use. Essential functions include sum, average, min/max, and count. For maximum efficiency, use the AutoSum shortcut, Alt plus equals sign. To manage large datasets, we use sorting and filtering. Sorting arranges data by criteria like alpha or numeric order and can be multi-level. Filtering isolates specific data points for focused viewing. The key strategy is to always ensure your dataset has unique headers and no blank rows to maintain data integrity. The IF function is the foundation of automation. It performs a logical test and provides one result if true and another if false. Use comparison operators for your logical test. We can create complex logic chains by using nested IFs, placing one IF function inside another to test multiple conditions sequentially. Lookup functions pull data across tables. VLOOKUP requires 4 parts: lookup value, table array, column index, and range lookup. Use false for an exact match to prevent errors. The modern alternative, XLOOKUP, offers simpler syntax and built-in error handling. This is a powerful skill for data retrieval. Visualizing data turns numbers into meaningful stories. Choose your chart type based on your goal: column for category comparisons, line for trends over time, and pie for proportions of a whole. The key workflow involves selecting your data, customizing the design, and relying on automatic data syncing. Charts update instantly when data is modified. Pivot tables are Excel's most powerful tool for analysis, summarizing large datasets instantly. The 4 setup areas: filters, columns, rows, and values, define your report structure. Remember this crucial note: pivot tables do not update automatically. You must always click refresh after updating your source data. We have reached the conclusion, covering Excel fundamentals, logical formulas, and pivot table mastery. Maintain this knowledge by practicing daily and solving real-world problems. For the advanced path, explore Power Query and VBA programming. Congratulations, you have achieved the status of an intermediate Excel user.